How to delete your HR Block account online. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how you can delete your HR Block account online. So it's your question, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first step is to log in into your HR account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Okay, let's go back. This is the tax page. Yeah, so this is how the home page looks like. You would see a welcome address, and then you see get started on taxes, etc. So once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some options, right? And these options include home, taxes, finances, documents, help, and then account. So just click on account. Now, after clicking on account, we're brought to the accounts page where you'll see the option. You can find it all here. Then you'll see the settings option, right? Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on settings, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll see the heading, security center, and then you'll see some write-up saying manage your account security settings. These settings affect how you'll be able to access your online account. So next step is to scroll down until you can see the option delete account. Delete account is the last option here, and once you see it, click on it. And once you click on it, this option will pop up on the middle of your screen asking you if you're sure that you want to delete your account. Click on continue, and from there your account will be deleted permanently. Alright, so that is it. That is how you can delete your H&R account online. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.